What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I have a stuffy nose, so I probably sound ridiculous. I just want to show you this real quick. My son's kind of obsessed with Jack Skellington, and somehow this popped up on my Amazon. I mean, I spend most of my day on there. It's a limited edition shell that like goes over this. Now, he didn't have a dot, and I didn't have a dot, but because we were buying this, you have to have the dot for this to go over. So I'm just gonna show you what this looks like, put it on real quick, and show you how cool this looks in the background. Well, hopefully how cool it looks. Can't catch a goddamn break with the runny nose, but this is what it looks like. The box is a little coffin. Wish I was a little coffin, not sneezing. This is what it ends up coming like. So freaking cool, honestly. This is the little front piece. Whoa. This is the ass end of it. I'll show you real quick. Now, when I had to put mine in on my son's, I didn't have the easiest time because I'm a little stunad, right? There's a lip here, right? So when you put this in, you're gonna end up going in and letting the ass end of this sink in. Before I did that, was trying to shove it in like this. You see? On this piece, there's like a gap here. So you have to like put it in butt first and just try to like align that little line there with the hole there. And then when you go to put this on the bottom there's a little lock down here. You're gonna do that first. And you're basically just gonna push this together. Clip and click. That's it. Look how freaking cool that is. Jack Skellington, baby. And you're just gonna plug it in like it normally was. And now I've got something, in my opinion, is like a little aesthetic upgrade. What's really cool, if I could get my camera to do it, this thing here. Let me turn my light off. The mouth lights up here because the Echo Dot light itself will shine through on that one section, and I don't know, I just think it's a really cool upgrade. If your kids or you are into Jack Skellington, then I think this is definitely something you might want to look into. It is a limited edition. Now, I don't know. I hear a limited edition and immediately I make purchases, but does that mean it's not gonna ever come back? Maybe if it does well. People are money hungry and greedy in this world. But in general, I think this is just a cool little thing. Instead of having a regular dot in the back, I have a like creepy Jack Skellington face, and it looks kind of cool, and I can sit here and talk to my Amazon Alexa, and I think it's really awesome. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. I hope you do not have a runny nostril and a clogged nose, because that is no bueno. This is the rest of my little background area. I'm trying to do things more to lighten up the background. And you don't want to look at this disaster, but when this is cleaned off, this is going to look awesome. Very, very cool. Alexa, say hi.
Hello.
Alexa, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Does she say, Alexa, say please subscribe?
You already have Amazon Music Unlimited on another device. You'd have unlimited on all
it was worth a shot.
devices,
Anyway,
this Echo.
see you guys on the next one.